Travis here from Kelowna Chevrolet to show you this certified pre-owned 2017 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LTZ. Powering this crew cab is a 6.2 liter gasoline V8 engine paired to a 6-speed automatic transmission that's still capable of getting you just 12 to 16 liters per 100 kilometers on average. Moving to the back of the truck, you have the tonneau cover. And this truck is also equipped with the standard box. You have rear bumper corner steps, as well as running boards inside of your box. Moving up to the interior, you have the driver's memory seat functions. You have power adjustable and folding mirrors, as well as power adjustable windows. On the dash is your tow brake controller and 4x4 controls. You have your cruise control, display controls, and hands-free audio all on the steering wheel. This truck currently has 78,528 kilometers. You have a large infotainment unit, your dual-zone automatic climate controls, including heated front seats, cargo lights and traction control, as well as your middle flip-down seat for lots of storage. And this truck is also equipped with leather seats, and the front two are power adjustable. For the back of the interior, you have handles to help you get in, pockets in the back of both front seats, access to 12-volt power, and these are 60-40 split flip-up rear seats for extra storage, and also have a flip-down cup holder in the center seat. If you would like to see this 2017 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LTZ in person or take it for a test drive, come and see us at Kelowna Chevrolet, where car buying is easier than you think.